Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Then look for Location shortcut. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on this pen icon at the bottom right corner of your Tab menu. Scroll down and look for it here. When you find it, hold it, drag it, and let go. Then click on the top left corner and tap on it then. And as you can see, after that, location of my smartphone is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same icon. But you can always just go into settings instead, scroll down and click on location section. Now manage it by clicking on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!